today's video. In today's video, I actually wanted to talk something which is related to skincare, and this is one product that I have fallen in love with. Like, it's a really amazing product. And since we all know that the lockdown has been extended till 3rd May, so we are all stuck at home, and while we are stuck at home, why do we not take care of our skin? Like, if the lockdown wouldn't have happened, then normally at this time we would be running errands or going somewhere and be very busy and not taking proper care of our skin. So during this lockdown, it's a magical time right now, if you can say, where you've been given a chance to take proper and good care of your skin. So there's one product that I have fallen in love with, and I really wanted to share that product with you guys, so that even you guys can know how I feel about that product, and maybe give it a try if it works for you or no. So yeah, I'm over here to let you guys know about that product. So the product that I've been blabbering about for all this while is the why can I not pronounce brands correctly? It's so annoying. Okay, so it is the Prolixar, and I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. I think it is pronounced the way I said it, but again, if I'm not, then I'm sorry. So this is the Prolixar Perfect Skin Detoxifying Sea Algae Mask. And at first I was really doubting about this product, that will this product really deliver the stuff as it says, because it says that it is going to hydrate my skin, detoxify and brighten it, and also help in tighten my pores. And I have a lot of open pores throughout my face, and it is a real big issue. And not many brands stand up to the promise that they make, and this was the product that did everything they promised, and they were able to deliver their promises as they had promised. So this is how the box looks like, and the packaging, you guys, I swear it is really cute, all pink and girly vibes. So comes in with this tiny brush applicator, which I find so amazing, because there's only a few brands out there that really think and make products by keeping their customers in view. So this was a brilliant idea. Like, it deserves a 10 on 10, definitely. It is a glass tub, and the packaging and the quality of this product is like really amazing. It's high quality. It does not look like anything cheap or anything. You could even gift it to somebody, because this is such a cute thing. Now this is a 50 grams tub, and the box on the package, I'll say it says it retails for 2499, as you can see. Now I am definitely going to say that 2499 is a really expensive deal for so much of product, but definitely I'm going to say this, that it is available on Nykaa, Flipkart, as well as on Amazon, and these three sites have sales going on almost throughout the year, and you can easily buy this at discounted rates. And like, when I had this, it was priced around $1,000 on Nykaa, and right now also it is priced at $1,000 on Nykaa, and for $1,000 I think this is an amazing deal. This mask claims to have hyaluronic acid, which is amazing again for combination and acne prone skin type. It has sea algae, which helps in detoxifying and brightening up your skin. It also has vitamin C, which is really good for your skin. It gives you that wonderful radiance and glow that you want. The most shocking thing that I found among the ingredients is that it has tea tree oil and activated charcoal in it, and tea tree oil and activated charcoal is something that is very beneficial for combination type of skins. Although I'm definitely going to mention that, so the product claims that it is suitable to all skin types. That means that everybody can use this product: dry skin, sensitive skin, acne prone skin, combination skin, oily skin, any type of skin. And I don't know about other skins, but it definitely worked out amazingly for my skin. And I am a combination type of skin. I also do tend to have some dry patches around here, and this product does not bother me that much, or doesn't make my skin completely dry out and irritate me. So definitely this product is working really good for my skin. So I think it is going to stand up to what it promises, and it will work good for all skin. My skin has been behaving really bad because I'm actually in Gujarat, and the water over here is not that cool, and my skin is also sensitive. I tend to have different problems. My skin is very weird actually. I have every type of skin in my skin, if that makes any sense, which I think it doesn't. So whatever. So I've been looking out around this area. So I have some dry patches over here. I've been getting bumps here and there, and right now this is like my bare face. I do not have any product on. So without any further ado, let's zoom into my ugly face and try out this product. You can see these bumps and unevenness in my skin, and this is the dry patch around here, and there's a lot of open pores too that you can see on my face. And also my nose is filled with blackheads, and trust me, you do not want to see that. You can see how much I have completed it. I'm almost gone through this tub, and I'm definitely going to repurchase this. So as you guys can see, I washed up my face. Texture has gone, my skin feels even and smooth, and there's no bumpiness or unevenness that I can feel throughout my face. And you can also see how it has brightened up my face, and yeah, it really boosts up my face and gives me so much of energy. I don't know why, but happy skin means happy you. So I just feel really good when my skin is so soft and yummy. Not yummy exactly, but whatever. So it just makes me really happy. So then I go in with any moisturizer that you have, and you can just apply it on your face and you are good to go. So as directed by the product, oily skin or combination skin are supposed to use this 3 times a week, and if you are a dry or a sensitive type of skin type, you can use it once or twice a week as per your skin requirements. So this product is definitely a thumbs up for me, and I really think that you guys should also get your hands on this product and try it out, because I swear this is an amazing product. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next. Bye.